Add column with number of days between dates in DataFrame pandas. I want to subtract dates in A from dates in B and add a new column with the difference. I've tried the following, but get an error when I try to include this in A for loop. What should I do?
Assuming these were datetime columns, if they're not applied to underscore datetime, you can just subtract them. Note: ensure you're using a new of pandas, for example 0.13.1. This may not work in older versions.
To remove the days text element, you can also make use of the DT accessor for series, this URL. Which returns
A list comprehension is your best bet for the most Pythonic and fastest way to do this. I will return the timer delta, for example -58 days. I.days will return this value as a long integer value, for example -58 liters, and I.days will give you the -58 you seek. If your columns aren't in datetime format, the shorter syntax would be df.equals pd.to_datetime df.a.
How about this?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.